name is Apar Agarwal, and this is CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python, and this is the final project. Today's date is 19th August 2025. The title of the project is Let's Play Some Games. If you're ever feeling lonely and, for the sake of the code, want to play Mastermind or Rock Paper Scissors, you don't need to fret now, as the computer will be a player too. I will now run a quick demonstration for both sides of the code. The code initially asks you if you want to play the game or not. It sometimes happens that you just open the code by mistake and don't want to play the game. So for the time being, the answer is yes. This is entirely case instance settled. It would then ask me which game do I want to play. So I would select rock paper scissors. It will say that now I have a total of 3 rounds to play, and I can either win, lose, or tie. There's like no possibility that the computer is cheating. It's entirely randomized, and then I would select one for rock, or two for paper, or three for scissors. So like I can select two, it's a tie. One, the computer wins, and three, I win. The overall match is a tie. But it could also be resulting into a computer winning or a player winning. Next, let's go to check the mastermind code. So over here is the code for mastermind. It would explain the rules, the color and its codes, and it will first ask how many attempts do I want for the game. I can select something as high as 100 or as low as 1. No zero or no non-negative integers are allowed. So for the time being, I can select 5. It would then ask me for each attempt, so I can select R, O, W, Y, G, G, B. Uh, so ROWYGG, as the length of the code is as specified in the rules. And now it says that there are two incorrect, one correct and correctly placed, and three correct colors but incorrectly placed. So now the question arises: what is the code actually? And now with the help of these clues, I will be able to detect that. So this is the code for my final project. I hope you liked it, and I hope you would have a fun time playing it. Thank you. And that was CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python final project. Thank you.